Hey guys, it's Coco. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get into this yoga flow routine. So today we're going to energize our morning and rise with renewed vitality. So take a moment to ground yourself in a seated position by closing your eyes and softening your breath. Relax into this new energy of the day and feel free to bring your right hand over your heart and your left hand over your belly. Start to feel the rise and fall in your chest. Inhale, hold at the top. Exhale any tension and repeat 2 more times. Inhale, hold, and exhale through the mouth. Inhale, hold, and exhale through the mouth. Release your hands down and you can open your eyes. Press the palms to your knees while in easy seat. And we're going to start by rotating your torso in circles in one direction 3 times. And switch to the other direction, just breathing with this flow. Come back to neutral seat and roll your shoulders back 5 times. Then forward 5 times. Breathe and relax. Inhale, reach your right arm up and over. Exhale, release. Then switch to your left. Inhale, rise up and over and release. Come back to neutral seat. Inhale, rise both arms up and twist over to the left. Inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale and twist over to the right. Rise the arms back up, then back to neutral seat. And let's switch to tabletop position. Hands stacked below the shoulders, knees stacked below the hips, back parallel to the mat. And next we'll take 5 rounds of cat-cow to warm up the spine. So inhale, curl the toes under, rise the sternum up. Exhale, draw the navel towards the spine. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. We'll do 2 more rounds. Inhale up. Exhale, draw the navel in. Inhale, press the sternum forward, gaze up. Exhale, back down, pressing down on the mat, and then bring the back to neutral. Curl the toes under, hinge the hips up to the sky for downward facing dog. Pedal the feet and stretch the backs of the legs, warming up the lower body. Widen your fingers, press down on the mat, and then shift your body forward into plank. Exhale, bring yourself down. Inhale, chest up to upward facing dog, gazing forward, and then exhale, curl the toes under back to downward facing dog. Next, step or hop both of the feet towards the front of the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise the arms all the way up. Exhale, release the hands down to prayer. Inhale, rise the arms up again, meeting the palms together and slightly bending backwards. Exhale, release and forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and step back into plank. Inhale at plank and then exhale, lower yourself all the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under and release up to downward facing dog, pedaling the feet here again. Step or hop both of the feet forward towards the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Hands to heart center. Slightly bend the right knee and twist over to the left, anchoring your right elbow outside of your left knee, and then spread your arms. Bring the palms back to heart center and we'll twist the other direction, spreading the arms wide. Then back to center, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. And then exhale, back, hands to heart center. Inhale, rise the arms up. Step the left leg back to high crescent lunge, bending at the front knee. Inhale, cactus arms, bending the elbows down and pull the chest forward. Exhale, rise the arms up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. And we'll step that back leg forward, bending at that knee for stork. And pull the foot in towards the inner thigh. Rise the arms up for tree. Hands back to heart center. Rotate the knee forward. Step the foot down. Rise the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And then step back into plank. Chaturanga, lower all the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under. Hinge back into downward facing dog. Step or hop both of the feet forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Then inhale, rise all the way up. Hands to heart center. And then we'll step the right foot back. Cactus arms again. Inhale down. Exhale, lift up. Inhale down and up. Inhale down and then back up. Hands to heart center as we bring the back leg forward, bending at the front knee for stork. Bring the foot in the inner thigh. Rise the arms up in your inhale. Press the palms together. And back to stork. Try to maintain your balance. Inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, forward fold, release. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, press back into plank. Hold in plank for a few breaths and then chaturanga. Exhale, release down. Inhale, press the sternum up to upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under to downward facing dog. Hinge the hips up. We'll crawl the hands back towards the feet for forward fold and halfway lift. And then inhale, release up to chair. Palms facing each other, then hands back to heart center as we rise all the way up. Take a breath here, then inhale, rise the arms back up. Exhale, forward fold, locking the toes, using your index finger, middle finger, and thumb around your big toes, and then halfway lift. Take a breath. Inhale again, rise the arms up, back to chair, hinging the hips back. Relax the breath. And then rise all the way back up, hands to heart center, and soften the breath. I'm about to close out here soon. So inhale, rise up, clasp the hands together and pointing the index fingers up. We'll bend over to the left, then over to the right. Release the hands down to Tadasana, mountain pose, palms facing forward, stand tall. Bring the hands back to heart center. And feel free to bow in, just relax and soften the breath here. Inhale one more time, rise the arms up. Exhale, release as you forward fold, and we'll walk the hands forward to plank. Then bring the knees down, and we'll sit back into a seated position, extending the legs in front of us. Inhale, rise the arms up. And we'll twist as you exhale and release. Inhale, rise the arms up again and twist the other direction. Inhale again, rise the arms up. Exhale, release, forward fold. You can grab your shins here if you like. And then inhale, we'll bring it back up and into a seated position. As we close things out, we'll soften our breaths. Close your eyes and feel free to bring your right hand over your heart and your left hand over your belly, just like we started in the beginning. Feeling the rise and the fall of your breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Ground and release any tension, bringing in positive energy. Release the hands down and feel free to bow in. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.